So, what are we going to discuss now?
Rules of
Which mirror? The convex mirror. How many rules are there? 4 rules. What is the first rule? The reflected ray will appear diverging from the focus. Will appear diverging from the focus. Here, if the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, the reflected ray will appear as diverging from the focus. What is the second rule? The reflected ray is parallel to the principal axis. So, if the incident ray is passing through the focus, it seems as that passing through the focus, the reflected ray will always parallel to the principal axis. Principal axis. What is the third rule? So, if the incident ray is directed towards the center of curvature, so the reflected ray will pass us through the same path. So, what is the fourth rule? So, if the incident ray is directed towards the pole of the mirror, the reflected ray will make the same angle as angle of incidence. So, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So, if it is incidented with an angle of 30 degrees, it will reflect back with the angle of 30 degrees. Reflect back with the angle of 30 degrees. So, these are the rules for ray diagram.